Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Are you bored with your regular tea time snacks like me? Then let's try out something different for today with banana flowers. In today's video, let's prepare crispy and tasty banana flower vada which is very famous in South India and called as Valaipoo Vadai or Aratipuvvu vada. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Okay friends, our crispy tea time snack banana flower vada is ready to enjoy with our tea. Also, recently I've posted how to make fluffy and crispy urad dal vada with few tips to avoid absorption of excess oil and goes easy on our tummies. You can find the video link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. Please do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thank you. Bye.